ultra budget gaming PC na below 10K. Kaya ba? Tara! Simulan natin sa processor. Ryzen 5 4600G, 6 cores, 12 threads, with integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics. For the motherboard, the MSI A520M A Pro, A520 chipset, AM4 with dual DIMM slot, NVMe and PCIe Gen 3. Sa RAM, the Battle Axe 16GB kit from Colorful, DDR4, 3200 MHz. For the storage, Colorful CN600 Pro, 512GB, NVMe, PCIe Gen 3. Sa case naman, the Inplay Wind 01, MATX compatible, mesh front and acrylic side panel. Sa fans, we have the Keytech Tornado ARGB for the front intake and G-Storm ATMM non-RGB for the rear exhaust. At sa power supply, meron tayong Keytech Thunderbolt 800 watts. Ito po yung breakdown ng mga prices at yung total. For this kind of build, kailangan lang natin ng patience sa pag-aantay kung kailan magsisale yung item and at the same time kung kailan lalabas yung mga malalaking vouchers. Usually, every payday po yan and monthly sale like 66, 77, 88 and so on. And before po tayo mag-check out, collect po muna natin yung mga vouchers sa voucher center and at the same time, tignan din natin yung store kung nag-o-offer ba sila ng mga vouchers. And lastly, may mga items din na pwede gamitan ng coins for additional discounts. So Lazada voucher, plus store voucher, plus coins. Ayan po yung combo natin madalas. Lahat po ng links ng items nilagay ko po sa pinned comment. Check nyo na lang po from time to time.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Alright, that's it. I hope nakatulong po ulit itong video natin sa mga nagbabalak palang mag-build ng kanilang budget rig. And as always, salamat po sa mga nanood at sa mga magsusubscribe. This is Gem of Bang Gizmos. Till the next one, ingat po.